Amazon is currently hiring part-time remote data entry clerks with no experience or degree needed. If you're looking for a reliable work-from-home opportunity with flexible hours, this could be the perfect fit. Welcome to Remote Hustle Europe, your go-to channel for real remote jobs you can start now. If you want more no-experience remote job updates, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Amazon is hiring for remote, part-time data entry clerk positions. This is a great opportunity for beginners, career switchers, or anyone looking for flexible work from home. You'll help Amazon manage its internal data systems by reviewing, entering, and organizing information. The job is completely online. You just need a computer, internet, and basic typing skills. Here's what you'll be doing: entering and updating data in Amazon's systems, performing quality checks to ensure accuracy, organizing files according to guidelines, responding to team messages when needed, completing other administrative tasks assigned by supervisors, finishing your work on time. This is a focused, behind-the-scenes job with no phone calls or customer support. To qualify, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent, basic computer skills, familiarity with Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, good written communication, strong typing accuracy, ability to manage time and stay focused. No experience is needed. Training will be provided. Previous experience is not required but is a plus. Amazon welcomes beginners and provides training to help you succeed. This is a part-time remote role starting from 20 hours per week. You can choose a schedule that fits your lifestyle. Work is done from home. No commute, no dress code. Skills. Amazon looks for attention to detail, ability to spot and fix errors, comfort with digital tools, clear written communication, problem solving and independence. Amazon offers a competitive hourly wage, typically around $16 per hour depending on location. That's about $1,280 a month for 20 hours a week. Benefits include paid training, weekly pay, Amazon employee discounts, opportunities for growth, flexible work-life balance, a supportive remote team, performance-based raises. Amazon is a global leader in remote work. They offer flexible schedules, solid benefits, and career growth opportunities. You'll be part of a diverse team that values your contribution. To apply, visit the official Amazon Jobs website. Search for Remote Data Entry Clerk Part-Time. Filter for remote jobs in the United States. Look for listings that say no experience required. Read the description and start your application. Tips to stand out. Highlight your typing speed and attention to detail on your resume. Mention any experience with admin or tech tools. Practice typing to improve speed and accuracy. Keep track of applications and follow-ups using a spreadsheet or free tool like Notion. This is a great entry-level job you can do from home, on your own time, without experience. If you want flexible online work, this is a solid opportunity. More remote jobs open globally, including Europe and Africa, are coming soon. Subscribe for updates.